Greetings, everybody. Nickie Brown here. No matter where you are and what part of the world you are in, I hope that you are having a good day. So, I just cracked open this deck. So I'm going to cleanse them and see what messages they have for us. I mean, I literally just cracked them open. I'm going to see what these cards have to say as well. So I'll go ahead and take those out the box. Oh, I like what that says on the inside. It says, you called upon the goddess and the goddesses. You called upon the goddesses and the goddesses called you. You are being called to bear witness to your own joy, magic, and power. Will you heed the call? I love it. Went out. How about we do just a 3-card spread just to check the energy? I love the illustrations on these cards. Ooh, they were ready for me. Wow. This is a powerful deck, honey. Woo. They have some strong energy. Thanks. Welcome. I appreciate you. All right, let me do it one more time. Okay, I'll just cut them in half one time. Okay, what is the overall energy you would like to share with the collective today? What is the overall energy that you would like to share with the collective today? What is the overall message here? Okay. The One of Swords. So I'm assuming maybe the Ace of Swords this is. Okay. New beginnings. New skills. Honesty. But somebody may be also hiding behind a mask. And this may be your past energy, because I want to do past, present, and future. So what's going on in the present? someone was hiding behind a mask, but maybe claiming to be honest. And you're about to have a new beginning. Seven of Pentacles. The ancestors have your back, and they were looking out for you. Even though you may have been in fear, they're right beside you. And the old version of yourself has transitioned, and you're now becoming the new light, right? What else? One last message. Ooh. What's that one? Three of Swords. Right. Someone may have broke your heart, but you are now fighting back. And again, the ancestors have your back. All right, that's all I got for y'all for these. Love y'all. Later.